All right, big idea trading community. I thought what I would do here for you guys, this is our first weekend since the launch of the community here. And I thought I would do like every Saturday or Sunday. So basically when the markets are closed for indices trading, I'm going to do like an update on cryptocurrency. So most of the time it's going to be like Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin's kind of the leads the way in cryptocurrency. And we'll just look at where things are going, all that kind of stuff. So also in this video here, guys, I'll tell you what I do with my trading. Oh, Lulu's in the office. Hey, Lulu. What's up? She just came in. She pushed the door open and came in. It's my dog, Lulu. So yeah, what I do, guys, is I don't even bother trading it. I just basically treat it as like a drip. So pretty much like every week, I'll just go buy like $100 of it. When it's in a stage one, I'll go in, like use some of my USDT where I've sold at a stage 3, and I'll go and buy back, right? So we're just going to run through this, and that's kind of what I recommend you guys do with crypto, is don't really necessarily trade it, just accumulate it, okay? So you can see all the stages here. So we've got, well, this, you could say this is a stage 1 here, but then it failed and boom, went down just because it's in a downtrend, right? Okay, and then we've got another stage 1 right here, and then it actually broke up. Another little wee stage 3 there, and then it came down. So if we can go and do this, and I'm on the daily chart, Bitcoin, as you can see. So we're gonna go and we're gonna we'll use our horizontal line just to chart this out. So boom, right there, and just by that line you can tell what's going on here right now. So we'll go and we'll actually make these black just so it's easy to understand. And yeah, this first line here told the whole damn story, what's going on. So yeah, it looks like we're, this is the stage 1, right? So in the course, big idea trading course, you learn market stages. So that's a stage 1, and then it broke. So stage 2, we've got a little wee stage 3 here, stage 4. And then it looks like we're getting a bounce off this. So the next thing I would do is just look at, this is a trading lesson inside itself. I would go and look at fair value gaps in the market. So you've got a bunch of gaps right here. I just put on the standard candles. And we've got a gap way up there. We've got gaps way up here. So all these are fair value gaps. This is where price is going to want to go to, okay? So I would say we are trending upwards, even though it looks like, you know, oh, we just had this big crash because people are too backed out and they're looking at the 5-minute chart trying to trade Bitcoin. So, you know, we're looking at something like this. Likely, you know, we could get some wicks, boom, down to there type thing. But I would say Bitcoin is going to be around here. And I think that it looks like this is some sort of bottom, okay? So I don't want you guys to trade based off that. Just whenever you see it in a stage 1, it's like screaming at you, yeah, go buy it, right? Okay, so for instance here, and yeah, so this, you know, is another buying opportunity right now. You're, you know, a little bit above where we should have bought. Like I was buying down here, but the course wasn't open then. So yeah, this would be a good time to get some Bitcoin. Likely it's going to do something like this, you know, slowly, like make its way up here, 94 to 88,000 there. It could even get rejected from about this level here. Who knows, right? It could even just go sideways like this. No one really knows, okay? So that's it for this video. Just a really, really quick one, guys. Just keep these nice and short. We'll go back to Hintakuyashi candles because that's what we like to look at. And that's kind of what I see there. So I would be looking at this, and I would, trend lines are great for Bitcoin. I'd be looking at this here, and I'd be watching this trend line, like to see what happens when it hits that trend line. Does it break it? And if it breaks it, then we know we're probably going to be trading down here in this level, right? If it doesn't and it holds it, then we know we're likely going to be trading up here. Okay, so that's it for the video, and I will see you guys likely Monday. I don't even know if we're going to do a live on Monday. If we do, like, I'll get on there and start it. But we have to see, like, what the market's like. Like, it might just be like, no, we're not trading. There's no liquidity. Yeah, so I'll know that before the live, and then I'll post about that. But definitely like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll be back there with the lives. I think the market, I forget though, I think it's open till 12 and then it closes on Monday. I think, not 100% sure. The futures market is what we trade, right? So I'll have to look into that, but I think it is. And then I'll, of course, I'll say something tomorrow night, which would be Sunday night. Okay, so that's it. See you guys. Bye-bye.